Ever wondered what lies beyond our earthly bounds, or what it would take to explore the vast expanse of our solar system and beyond? Imagine being able to travel to distant celestial bodies, unraveling their mysteries and uncovering secrets that have remained hidden for ages. Well, thanks to incredible advancements in space technology, that dream is becoming a reality. In this video, we'll uncover some of the most groundbreaking innovations in space technology that will truly surprise you. Make sure to stick around until the end and hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 6. Ion thrusters. An ion thruster, also known as an ion drive or ion engine, is a type of electric propulsion system employed by spacecraft. It's a revolutionary form of electric propulsion that is changing the game of space exploration. Instead of relying on chemical rockets, ion thrusters work by creating a cloud of positively charged ions from a neutral gas, usually xenon. These ions are then accelerated using electricity, shooting them out of the thruster at incredibly high velocities, generating thrust. But what makes ion thrusters truly remarkable is their efficiency. While conventional chemical rockets have a limited lifespan, ion thrusters can operate for years, consuming far less fuel and providing a much higher specific impulse. This means they can achieve greater velocities with the same amount of propellant. There are different types of ion thrusters, including electrostatic and electromagnetic thrusters, each with its own unique acceleration mechanism. Ion thrusters have already proven their worth in various space missions, such as the Deep Space One and Dawn spacecraft, which achieved impressive velocity changes while consuming relatively small amounts of xenon. And with continuous advancements in technology, ion thrusters are becoming more powerful and efficient, paving the way for more ambitious space missions in the future. Number 5. Antimatter Propulsion. Antimatter propulsion represents an exciting new frontier in space exploration that could allow spacecraft to travel vastly further than ever before. This revolutionary approach uses antimatter as a power source for rockets, unleashing tremendous energy potential. At the heart of antimatter propulsion is the annihilation reaction that occurs when antimatter particles collide with normal matter. This process converts the mass of the antimatter and matter into pure energy. The extreme energy released can then be harnessed to generate thrust for propelling spacecraft. Antimatter rockets boast the highest possible energy density of any rocket type, because the entire rest mass of the antimatter fuel can be converted into energy with near-perfect efficiency. Antimatter rockets achieve vastly higher specific impulse and velocities compared to traditional chemical fuels. Antimatter production itself is extremely efficient in terms of mass. While chemical rockets require vast quantities of propellant, antimatter engines need only a tiny amount of antimatter for each engine cycle, just a few atoms. The power unleashed by antimatter annihilation can be utilized in various ways. The high-energy gamma rays and particles produced could directly heat a propellant for generating thrust. Alternatively, the energy could generate electricity to power electric spacecraft propulsion systems like ion engines. Antimatter could even catalyze nuclear fission or fusion reactions for propulsion while reducing crew exposure to harmful radiation. If realized, antimatter propulsion could enable us to reach even the nearest stars within a human lifetime. Number 4. In-Situ Resource Utilization, ISRU. As humanity sets its sights on establishing a permanent presence beyond Earth, the concept of In-Situ Resource Utilization, or ISRU, has emerged as a game changer. ISRU involves collecting, processing, storing, and using materials found or manufactured on other astronomical objects, such as the Moon, Mars, or asteroids, reducing our reliance on resources transported from Earth. Imagine astronauts living and working on the lunar surface or in lunar orbit for extended periods. They would need a sustainable infrastructure to support their missions, and that's where ISRU comes into play. By utilizing local resources, crews can become more self-sufficient, reducing the need for costly and logistically challenging resupply missions from Earth. The potential resources that could be used through ISRU are vast and vital. Oxygen, for instance, is essential for breathing and as a component of rocket propellants. Water, a precious commodity in space, is critical for drinking, hygiene, and even plant growth. Methane could serve as a potent rocket fuel, while other materials could be used for constructing structures and supporting life in extraterrestrial environments. One of the most common forms of ISRU is already in use: solar power. Solar arrays have been employed on spacecraft for decades, including the International Space Station and the upcoming Gateway in lunar orbit. Number 3. Astrobee Robots. In the microgravity environment of the International Space Station, or ISS, even the simplest tasks can be challenging for astronauts. That's where the ingenious Astrobee robots come into play, offering a helping hand in the final frontier. These free-flying robots, measuring just 12.5 inches wide and weighing 22 pounds, are designed to assist astronauts with various tasks, from transporting cargo and documenting experiments to finding lost items. With their cameras and sensors, they can even identify potential hazards, such as carbon dioxide leaks, and alert the crew before disaster strikes. But what truly sets the Astrobee robots apart is their ability to navigate the weightless environment of the ISS with ease. Equipped with electric fans, they can fly through the air, using their cameras and sensors to avoid collisions with the station's modules and equipment. The modular design of the Astrobee robots would allow for customization and versatility. Each robot features a robotic base, a payload module for carrying scientific instruments or tools, and a perching arm that enables them to grasp and manipulate objects. While the current generation of Astrobee robots is controlled manually, scientists are working on developing autonomous capabilities, paving the way for a future where entire spacecraft can be left under the watchful eye of these robotic assistants. As of April 2022, the aptly named Bumble, Honey, and Queen have already completed over 100 activities aboard the ISS, and their capabilities are rapidly expanding. Bumble, for instance, has successfully created 3D maps of the station's interior, a feat that has immense implications for future autonomous robotic mapping missions in deep space. Number 2. Voyager Station. Voyager Station is a luxury space resort designed to accommodate 280 guests and 112 crew members in a truly out-of-this-world environment. Planned by the Orbital Assembly Corporation, or OAC, a construction company run by John Blinkow, this groundbreaking station will be the first commercial space station with artificial gravity, offering amenities similar to those found on Earth. Guests can choose from different accommodation options to suit their preferences and budgets. For those seeking the ultimate in space luxury villas are available. These spacious suites, ranging up to an impressive 5,300 square feet, can accommodate up to 16 people and feature cooking facilities, multiple bathrooms, and the option to be booked for a week, rented for a month, or even purchased as a vacation home. For solo travelers or couples, hotel suites offer a more intimate experience with private bathrooms and sleeping accommodations for up to 2 people in suites, up to 30 square meters or 320 square feet. But Voyager Station isn't just about sleeping quarters, it promises to be a true destination for space tourism, with a range of exciting features that will make your stay truly unforgettable. Imagine exercising in the gym and activity module, where you can experience the unique sensation of 1/6 the Earth's gravity. Indulge in gourmet dining at the restaurant, sip cosmic cocktails at the Sky Bar, or even attend a concert in the station's very own concert hall. And of course, no visit would be complete without taking in the breathtaking views of Earth and the stars that surround you, providing a truly unique perspective on our place in the universe. timeline and construction, the Orbital Assembly Corporation, which describes itself as the world's first large-scale space construction company, is spearheading the construction of Voyager Station. Only a select few will have their names put down in history as being the first to visit Voyager Station. Will it be you? Number 1. On-Orbit Servicing, Assembly and Manufacturing, OSAM-1. OSAM-1 is a groundbreaking NASA mission that aims to demonstrate the feasibility and potential of these game-changing capabilities. At the heart of OSAM-1 lies a bold objective: to extend the lifespan of satellites, even those not originally designed for servicing. By combining cutting-edge tools, technologies, and techniques, this mission seeks to redefine the way we approach space infrastructure maintenance and construction. One of the OSAM-1's key capabilities is refueling. During its mission, OSAM-1 will rendezvous with, grasp, refuel, and relocate a government-owned satellite in orbit. This remarkable feature allows satellites to continue functioning beyond their initial fuel supply, significantly extending their operational lifespan and maximizing the value of our investments in space assets. This mission also aims to demonstrate the potential for on-orbit assembly and manufacturing. Attached to OSAM-1 is a payload called SPIDER, or SPIDER, Space Infrastructure Dexterous Robot, which features a lightweight 16-foot robotic arm. During the mission, SPIDER will assemble 7 elements to form a functional 9-foot communications antenna, showcasing the potential for constructing and upgrading space infrastructure in orbit. The broader implications of OSAM-1's success are profound. By enabling efficient fleet management and extending the lifespan of satellites, OSAM-1 could contribute significantly to navigating the growing problem of orbital debris. NASA is already transferring the technologies developed from OSAM-1 to commercial entities, jumpstarting a domestic servicing industry that could reshape the way we approach space operations. Which of these innovations in space technology surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more.